Hello my viewers, just want to share the new air fry toaster oven which we got. Have a look. Even and crispy results without the need to turn food over. More cooking space than a traditional air fryer. The dimensions are over here. True convection cooking, look at the salmon. The true convection cooking helps circulates heated air evenly so the food cooks faster and more evenly without any hot spots. Total fry 360 and rotisserie mode. I'm so excited to try my whole chicken in the rotisserie mode. You can dehydrate the fruits, so make your own dried fruits, sun-dried tomatoes, even beef jerky is yummy. This is how it looks. It has a light. It's beautiful. The start and cancel button. This is to set the temperature and the time. You just have to press and then rotate it, set the time and with the minutes and hours, and then press start. It came with a baking tray. This is the air fryer tray for up to 2 pounds of French fries, and this is the tray for the dehydration of the fruits and beef jerky stuff. Is for the rotisserie chicken. We also got drip tray. Over here we have this attachment for the rotisserie chicken. It has, okay, here it has this attachment, so this goes here, and there is another attachment, so like this, and to remove you can just remove it. This can be adjusted at different levels like this. Oh, this is how it is. So this is how it is. I really love this one. It's perfect for the counter space which I have. So guys, if you have added a new appliance in your kitchen, do share that. How do you like it and what did you add? This one I ordered from Amazon, and we also got a 4 years warranty for $15 through Amazon. Getting a warranty after the manufacturer's warranty is always a good idea, and this company is offering 1 year warranty. And then always remember to turn the warranty card in once you get a new appliance, because it really takes care of any upcoming repairs for you. Till next time, take good care. See you guys. Bye bye.